Alright, so we're on 60 frames per second. This is like a new GoPro update. Riding around on the Nikola Plus. Riding around on the Nikola Plus. I really like this wheel, super smooth. Gonna take it easy. Don't have any like chest armor on or shoulder armor on. Going with the Fox elbow pads. Got a mirror. Got my backpack, motorcycle backpack, which would be pretty good for racing falls. A lot of construction going on. I'll just go slow. Stay to the left. Can't see behind me because the sun's bright. That sun's bright. I need to head this direction. Lots of construction. Go right here. Alright, sweet. I should probably start going the back way there while that construction's going on. There's another way around, which would be less obtrusive, I guess. Although that wasn't too obtrusive at all. I don't feel like. So I'm gonna do laps around the lake here and see how good this GoPro Max is at picking up this level of light with the sun's really bright coming down in the background and lots of shaded. It's cool, 70 degrees, Las Vegas weather. Beautiful day. Just gonna take it easy, don't want to ride too hard because I'm holding the camera, but with the GoPro Max, if you buy the protection plan for $5 a month, you have a insurance policy basically. I'm careful around water. This can get really slippery. These get in the flow of water and they can become really slippery. All right, let's power up this hill. Have the lights on my hands now, just some basic LEDs. It feels so comfortable. The Nikola Plus is so smooth. Probably need to check my tire pressure. It feels really smooth. Going into some highlight. Highlight area. Boom, the sun's like, I can't even look at it, so bright. Didn't wear my sunglasses. Eye protection is very important to wear, especially when you're going around the lakes. Sometimes there's the ducks. This is the early part of the lap. Knee pads, got those on. A little bit gust of wind. So the knee pads I wear like a soft pair, and I wear a harder shell pair over them. And I put my jeans over both pairs, which may not be the best idea. It's probably optimal to keep your knee pads on the outside of your jeans so that you slide easier and there's no there's no grab. It's information from Taylor Moats right there, and I do think that's probably optimal. I will definitely fall since I'm wearing two. I'm not gonna fall, but if I do fall, I'm gonna land on my knees. I'm gonna make that priority. I get to my knees. But it's like in basic training when you're doing airborne school. You just drill stuff over and over in your mind so that if the need ever arises, you just reflexively go to those thoughts. So if you cut out, you want to just boom, go to your knees. But you're not gonna cut out. You're gonna be fine. Let's go down this hill. Rather, those are ducks. I know, actually not so much. These have the longer necks, so lots of things. Good. Nice gated neighborhood, Regency. Looking good. Beautiful day in Vegas. I assure you, this is the best weather. It's not the best weather, but it's almost the best weather you can get. I'd say a little bit warmer would be good for my own personal preference, but I think for the vast majority of people, this weather is where it's at. Nice lit, some nice lighting here. Hard stop. Make sure this is even now. And we got the right of way. Bam. It's harder to hold the GoPro Max stick with these on. I can't like whirl it. I don't feel as confident in my grip. But these are priority. You need to have these on. The hands are fragile. Plus, you can put the lights on the back of them. That's very handy. Other ponds here. Alright, this is like the major light you come across on this lap. I call this the lake lap. And you get like walking signs going across. And you can see absolutely like a mile that way, see a mile that way. You know if a car is coming, so you can get across quickly enough. But this light takes forever during the daytime. At nighttime it's not so bad. I really have no problems running this late at all. Nothing for miles. Nothing. Come on. Both ways. Wow. That girl is cute. Dang. Caught her looking out of car. She needs to get an electric unicycle though for me to notice her. I'm wonder what my tire pressure is at. I'm actually really curious. I like this tire. Stock tire on this Nikola is pretty good. There's a lot of people out working out. It's awesome. Oh, we got a Tesla behind. Got royalty behind me now. There's a Tesla behind me. That's royalty. They can go, so let's give them the right of the way. And plus they're pretty silent. Nice little run with the Tesla. We don't have the right of way here, they do, but I'm next up maybe. Boom. on it. Oh, we're smoking the Tesla right now. About the MSP more than the 2200 watt Nikola is there is a bit more responsiveness. That's the best way for me to describe the torque, is responsiveness, how responsive it is to backwards braking and forward acceleration. And it's the best. Man, once you go MSP 2500 watt motor, I think it's hard to go back. The only thing is I haven't actually tried the 2000 watt motor in the MSP body, so maybe it would be just as responsive, but I don't think so. I think the 2500 watt is the way to go, 100%. Unless, I just don't understand it. Like, how does the 2500 watt motor provide more responsiveness but not necessarily top speed? It's I don't understand the internal workings of it, so I have to claim ignorance on that part. But as far as having ridden the MSP and feeling the 2500 watt motor versus the motor of the Nikola, it's way better. I mean, it's noticeably better. Can't say it's way better, it's noticeably better, and very, very powerful ride. Very powerful riding machine. Oh, all kinds of cute girls. Gotta do the lake loop to see the ladies. See some ladies, do the lake loop. Okay, now we're coming up on Fort Apache, which is the road I have to get across that has the long stoplight going this way. It interrupts the flow, but I guess you could think of it as a break. A little intermission in traffic. It's look at all these trucks, huge, massive trucks with one person in it. But I mean, it's cool if they're doing work. If they're actually getting work done, that's amazing. But if they're just commuting a few miles in a truck, it seems very inefficient. Just teasing if you have a truck. Not really teasing. Just, come on. Look at this. If you don't have one of these, missing out. You're really missing out on something special. But definitely, I feel like I still need more gear. Like, I prefer to ride with all my gear on, and I can't in this weather. Actually, I probably could in this weather. It's nice and cool. I'm going to end the video at the full loop, which is coming up. Oh man, I could totally get across right now. There's one car coming really, really slow. There's this car. We're just kind of chilling. Like, this light needs to be fixed. Come on. Or at least we should be able to, like, a stop sign would be better right here. Boom, if there's a stop sign right here, it'd be much more efficient. And now there's a cop coming, so I definitely can't do it. But we're just waiting. And it's meditation, riding a cycle. Let's keep our focus on the electric unicycles for the duration of this video. It is exhilarating. It's like skiing. It's It's a somewhat action sport. It's just a really good time, and it gets a lot of attention. The question is that I've been asking myself is, what do I wouldn't mind having the MSP. That's like the 2500 watt motor, see? And this is an efficiency right here. It's like, look at all these vehicles that have to stop just for me. There's nobody else behind me. And yeah, that's just an inefficient light there. Very inefficient light. Lights need to have like an efficiency meter on them. Efficiency meter on lights. Because that's an inefficient light. It's reducing the flow. That's what I liked about Cambodia. There was always like a flow to the traffic, and there weren't many lights or laws. You just kind of went with the flow, and there weren't many accidents. Not many accidents at all. I see more accidents in America than I did in Cambodia. I saw like one in Cambodia, and I was riding through the streets 11 kilometers on a bicycle. So definitely saw the heart of Phnom Penh traffic. Rode around on a dirt bike quite a bit too in the backcountries. Great time. Jarring. Or like an electric bike in Cambodia. That would be where it's at. A Suron. Grand Canyon is a fun little street. Like, it's got a nice bike lane, it's shaded, it's nice. It's just a really fun and windy street. It has a little bit of hills, a little bit of elevation. All right, let's power up this hill. This is about where we started. Basically a full loop around the lake. So we're on Lake West now. And does it go to Lake East? See, it's just one big loop. Nice bike lane. Pretty much all the way through. Alright, that's it for this part of the video. We're gonna switch to different camps, try different camps. Maybe even put this away for a bit and enjoy the flow. It's a lot easier to ride when you have both your hands. You gotta ride extra safe when you're holding something. Well, I got my chest cam on, so let's put on the chest cam.